Welcome to the new frontier of technology, where building intelligent applications is now within everyone's reach. Today we're exploring LangChain, a framework that makes AI development accessible and efficient. LangChain acts as a toolkit, connecting large language models to data sources and tools, so you can focus on creativity, not complex code. Imagine building an AI travel assistant that finds flights, checks hotels, and even looks up weather, all seamlessly connected. LangChain breaks down user requests, chains actions together, and delivers clear, human-like responses. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, LangChain's modular design lets you start simple and scale up as you learn. You don't need a PhD, just curiosity and some Python or JavaScript. It's your invitation to stop just using AI and start building with it. Large language models can't access new information on their own. They're stuck with what they were trained on. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, solves this by letting your AI fetch up-to-date info from external sources before answering. With RAG, your app can pull data from private documents, news feeds, or product databases, making responses accurate and current. LangChain makes building RAG systems easy. Connect your data, index it, and retrieve relevant info for the model to use. When a user asks a question, LangChain finds the most relevant document chunks and feeds them to the AI for a precise answer. This is a game changer. Customer bots can access the latest manuals, financial tools can pull real-time data, and more. By grounding responses in real data, you reduce hallucinations and boost reliability. RAG transforms AI from a novelty into a truly helpful business tool. It's how you build AI that's not just conversational, but genuinely useful. As your AI apps grow, you need more than simple chains. You need agents that can make decisions and adapt. An agent uses a language model to reason, choose tools, and plan its next move, looping until it completes its goal. LangGraph, part of the LangChain ecosystem, lets you design these complex workflows as state machines. Each node is a step, like searching flights or checking prices, and edges define how the agent moves between them. This structure handles loops, branches, and clarifications, perfect for tasks like planning a vacation or debugging code. LangGraph manages the state at every step, so your agent always knows what's done and what's next. With this, you move from simple bots to collaborative AI partners that tackle real-world, multi-step tasks. LangGraph makes it transparent and easy to debug why your agent made a decision. Mastering it unlocks the next generation of intelligent, autonomous applications. It's the blueprint for building truly smart AI. An AI model alone can't interact with the real world. It needs tools to access data, send emails, or check stock prices. APIs are the bridges that let your AI connect with other software and services. LangChain comes with a library of tool integrations. Search the web, run calculations, query databases, and more. Just import the tool, describe what it does, and your agent can use it. The magic is in the agent's ability to pick the right tool for each task, like checking yesterday's weather and tomorrow's forecast using different APIs. This lets you build apps that automate workflows, monitor social media, analyze sentiment, and post updates, all orchestrated by your agent. By combining APIs and custom tools, you can solve complex problems and automate tasks that once took entire teams. LangChain turns your AI into a true digital assistant. Launching your AI app is just the beginning. Continuous monitoring and improvement are key. LangChain's Langsmith tool acts like a flight recorder, tracing every step your app takes. See user prompts, tool choices, outputs, and final responses, all in one place. This transparency makes debugging and refining your app much easier. Use Langsmith to run test cases, track accuracy, and gather human feedback. This feedback loop helps you systematically improve your app's performance and reliability. Start simple, monitor closely, and iterate based on real-world data. Treat your AI as a dynamic system, constantly evolving to deliver real value. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.